is Ken's turn, because we're doing some episodes of Ken's house. So let's get... Oh wait. Ken is super silly. So watch out for those silly things he does. Count how many times he does that and comment down below your answer. So let's get to it!
I'm Ken, and this is another episode of Ken's House. Is it still recording? Oh, don't mind if there is any distractions because there's going to be a little doorknob go ding dong, and then we're gonna get some stuff. But don't worry about that right now. We don't need any of that right now because that second is not even here. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to be washing the dishes first. So don't be asking what I'm going to be doing. Just the camera, be right there. Trying to see how you can focus on me. Sorry if you just see my face and stuff. Trying to. There, that's good. Da da, dee 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 dee, washing dishes. La 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 la, washing the dishes. I'm washing dishes. Oh no, I forgot to give everyone breakfast. Let's make breakfast together. I'm gonna move you to the table. I'm gonna move these chairs. And this one, I go in here. Because I'm going to be cooking, not sitting. Okay. The first things we will need to do is go to the store. We'll need to go to the store. And I have two little baskets. See? Got two little baskets. And that's what I'm going to be using to go to the store. Let's go to the store. Gotta get in the car first. Got the car. Now we sit in the car again. Now we sit in the seatbelt. Okay, let's go. Yeah, this is so much fun. I love driving. Vroom, vroom. Now let's go into the store. Get out the car. Okay, I'm out the car. Go park the... No, my basket's in the car. Okay. I'm a terrible driver. Don't tell me why. So I got the baskets. CD. Let's go buy some stuff. Okay, fine. I'll get the cereal. Got some cereal. I'm gonna get this. Da da da. We just need to get the baby out. Got it. What else do we need? Oh yes. We'll need some water. Make sure they aren't bad. They're delicious. Oh, waffles! I love waffles. Let's buy some waffles. Oh, the girls like yogurt. They love yogurt for breakfast. Oh, I dropped it. But I don't remember what kind of yogurt, so I just got all of them. Oh, milk. I need cooking utensils. We don't have any of that stuff. Cooking utensils, cooking utensils, cooking utensils. In the drawers. Open one of them. Oh my gosh, I need all of the utensils. Okay, fine, I don't. But I always need this. I always need this. I always need this. Those are the same color. I need this thingy. I don't know what it's called, but whatever. I don't cook. Then I'll need the sifter. And I'll need the spatula. I basically got everything. The kitchen or the store thing looks exactly the same as our kitchen. So does this thing. The thing that whatever. I keep spilling everything. I spilled it everywhere. Let's put it back in. Sifter, spatula, little thingy, and then another little thingy. Oh, this is amazing. I love stores. Ha 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 ha. I get to buy so many things. Ha 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 ha. I'll need these little cooking trays. There. That's all from this place. See, Stacy likes cooking, but Stacy's not in this house. She's in a different house. She decided to go to a different house. Oh, yes. I always burn myself while cooking, so I'll need one of these. Oh, this pan is amazing. There we go. Whew, that was tiring. Let's go to my house. Now let me get in my car. Get in, I'm getting in. Get in. Out, I can't get in. Hiya, I'm in. Okay, oh no. My stuff will fit in the car. I'll just do that. I'll put it in the front. Let's see, will it fall? Oh, I don't think it will fall. Oh no, that fell though. There we go. Let's go. Very slowly. Try to drive very smoothly because no one wants to drop their stuff. Cause I had to put it there because my stuff, it like I don't have a back like some cars do. Cause people don't always have backs in cars. It's just the way this place is, or my car is. Oh no, forgot something. I left my phone in the house. Bad me. Gotta get out of my car. Oh no, I dropped another thing. Okay. I'm out of my car. That's good. I gotta put my car away. Okay. So I put my car away. Time to put everything away. The eggs go for Now let's close the fridge because the air is coming out. It is making me cold. Okay. Now let's bring out the one thing that I don't think you guys remember. It's the same as the store. That is what you remember. See, I told you, we have exactly the same thing. Oh dang it, I'm spilling everything. Ruining everything. I told you I had everything. That day I have. And days I don't even know what that days I means. I just made that word up. No, I didn't. I think I saw a store. Whatever. Let me get just doing what I'm doing. We are going to put the cake trays that Barbie loves. Because we had two of them, like, just like this. but we lost him. Let's go to the next floor. Bum 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 bum. We gotta go to the next floor because I gotta put this away.
Thank you guys for watching Ken's house. Now, you gotta remember, there are 4 more things you must do before you leave. Give me a huge thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to have fun and get inspired with us. Leave any comments or questions down below. And don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Ding! Don't forget to follow us on IFT, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Stay tuned for more of Zoe's Playtime. Adios, see you next time. Bye!
Ready?
The fridge. Oh no, that's a bad idea. Oh, this store just looks like my house. To go to the store, whatever. Sorry about that fake accent. Sorry. Now I just have these 2 baskets I need to fill because they wouldn't fit. So I'll move the camera down. Uh-oh, too far, but right there. That's okay. Now you can see it better. Sorry, it was crooked. I couldn't fix it. Now let's just look in. Oh no! I dropped my stuff again. Oh no! I dropped all the chairs. Wait, 1 second.